again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail here. When it comes to Jescar, you think of Jescar correction system, paint correction. I didn't even get to review and showcase all of them yet. They're all of their correction liquids and their pads, which are fantastic. I will get through them. Please bear with me. They have more than just correction products. We're going to take a look at another one today. This is Jescar ReactShine. This is a wheel cleaner, a dedicated wheel cleaner and iron remover. It may have more than one purpose, so if you want to find out, let's get to the video. Jescar ReactShine, 22 ounces for $19.99. Safely removes dirt, grime, iron deposits, baked on, brake dust from any type of wheel. Any type of wheel you can think of. You can spray on lightly agitate. It doesn't take a lot of work. User friendly. Hose it off and you're done. It turns purple, and when it turns a nice dark purple, that tells you it's ready to be removed, ready to be agitated and rinsed. We're going to start easy on the Jescar ReactShine. These are dirty, not too bad, nothing really baked on. But like I said, we're going to start easy, and if it works well, we're going to jump up in aggression, and we're going to find a more complicated wheel. These here, however, are the chrome-plated plastic capped. So Jescar is safe for all wheels. I do want to demonstrate that, and I'm going to try to demonstrate on a few different types of wheels with a few different types of levels of contaminants. This one here is not too bad. Let's get started. Get it on the wheel, you'll see it immediately start to turn the iron deposits a maroon reddish color. By the way, it has a pleasant odor compared to some of the other products that take care of iron deposits. So I'm going to let that dwell for a few minutes. We'll agitate and rinse. See how it took care of this capped wheel here. Okay, it's been on there for quite a few minutes. If it starts to dry up on you, just have to make it wet, mist it a little bit, it'll reactivate it. But we're going to agitate this and see how clean it gets the wheel. As you can see here, just through a little bit of agitation, we're getting a ton of suds from the product. Although the wheel is not too bad, it seems to be doing a really good job. So I'll continue, agitate the cleaner around the wheel, we'll rinse and see how it's done. Let me dry it for you as well, then we'll come in closer and take a look. Okay, let's check the corners here. All right, it's done a fine job. in and around the lug nuts. Made the wheel bright, shiny. Fantastic job there. All right, that was easy. We're going to step it up a little bit. Okay, let's step it up a little bit. This is a clear-coated aluminum wheel and baked on brake dust, along with lighter brake dust on top. So this should be a good challenge. Let's also get some on the white wall, see if it cleans the tire as well. All right, so after a minute or two, you can see just how much this is done on both the rubber and white wall and the wheel itself. We go grab the bucket, we'll agitate and see how it's done. All we're going to do is agitate with this little detail brush. That should do it. Thanks for bearing with me there. I didn't want to cut or edit or speed up the video in any way. Let's rinse. And on this old wheel here, where the clear is failing, we got the white walls clean and the corners of the wheel just with a soft detail brush. This stuff is no joke. Again, safe for all wheels. Okay, you guys know I love products that have more than one purpose. So we're going to use it right now for iron decontamination on the side of this truck. It's white, so it's going to be easy to see. We're going to let that sit, let it dwell for a few minutes, but I'll bring you in right away and show you the immediate exothermal reaction that's going on with the embedded pieces of iron already. So we'll let this go for a couple minutes and then I'll bring you back in again. All right, so it's been a few minutes. So before this starts to dry and set on the side, let me bring you in and show you all the iron deposits that it's breaking down. We're going to wash that off. Then I will introduce a dedicated iron remover after it's been washed and dried in that area that we applied, and see if the ReactShine has missed anything. Can it fully serve the purpose as an iron remover on painted surfaces? rinses off easy enough, but we're going to wash it and then dry it. By the way, my favorite drying towel, you're always going to see it on me, the Sucker Junior. I'll put a link down below. Now, let's introduce a more pricey, dedicated iron remover onto the same surface we just applied it to. See if it missed anything. Right out of the gate, we don't notice, well, we got one little bugger right there that got away from us, and maybe another one right there. We're going to let it dwell for a couple minutes, come back. Okay, I left it go to the point where it's just about to dry on the surface here. A couple speckles that I missed. There and there. One little cluster right there. Other than that, the ReactShine had done a fantastic job on painted surfaces. So the product can be used in different ways, have more than one purpose. You get more of your money's worth out of the product, and it makes it more valuable to me. And for the final thoughts segment of the video, the Jescar ReactShine Dedicated Wheel Cleaner, under 20 bucks, has more than one purpose, effective for light duty cleaning, but can also handle those heavy contaminated, just baked on brake dust. Breaks that stuff down. You can remove it safely. I demonstrated with just a very soft detail brush. I know you have more aggressive tools than that in your wheel and tire bucket that can take care of stuff like that. This is effective and can also be used as a decontamination product for paint, an iron remover. Safe for clear-coated wheels, safe for all wheels, chrome, aluminum, alloy, painted, dipped. I like it. I enjoy it. I'll recommend it. I'm going to put a link down below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.